To continue our work on the screen door that either me or Mr. Pig broke. Okay, so we got it off the track, and first thing you want to do is inspect it. Let's see if there's any parts and any other problems that might be going on here that we don't know about. So we take a look at the bottom. The integral part of this piece of machinery are the wheels. And we can see right now that I got a busted wheel here that I did not anticipate. So I don't have the part to replace this today. But you can always do that after you put the new screen in. And it'll still roll, but maybe not as smoothly. So maybe next time I'll show you how to replace this, but it's not too difficult. But let's get started taking out the screen. Okay? Now I showed you this at the beginning of the show about the spleen. This is what holds our screen mesh into place. So you simply want to pull this up, and it surrounds the entire circumference of the door. The other thing you want to do is take the handle off. Okay? Let me get something to do that. We'll get a handle on this, and when I take this off, we can go all the way around. Oh, I'm just glad that, you know, when I was a kid, my father taught me the value of tools, because I learned how to use them. And he used to chase me around the house with a belt sander, but we won't talk about that. Okay. I think if we just loosen it, we'll be okay. There we go. All right. And we're coming around the mountain. Here we go. This corner, that corner. And that's that. The spleen is dead. The spleen is dead. Okay? Now, let's take out the mesh. And this is pretty much useless unless, you know, you want to use it as a hairnet. I don't know. Could work. Nah. Here we go. Get rid of that. Okay. Now comes the easy part. Putting the new mesh on and re-spleening it so that it holds it nice and tight. We'll come back and do that.